Good morning, students. Welcome to another session of GK. Students, today we will start our next lesson, lesson number 31, literature. Now let us start question answer session. Take the right word from the alternatives given. Number 1. To look around a store without buying anything is called hobby, browsing, loitering. Answer is loitering. Loitering simply means people hanging around your place of business, inside or outside, without buying anything. If you loiter somewhere, you remain there or walk up and down without any real purpose. For example, unemployed young men loiter at the entrance of the factory. Next one. To walk along the shopping area looking at the articles displayed is known as window shopping, loitering, or looking around. Answer is window shopping. Window shopping refers to an activity in which a consumer browses through or examines a store's merchandise as a form of leisure or external search behavior without a current intent to buy. Depending on the individual, window shopping can be used as a pastime or to obtain information about a product's development, brand differences, or sale prices. Next one. When things are grouped together according to their size, color, or any other properties, they are said to be catalogued, classified, rearranged. Answer is classified. Classified means identified as belonging to a specific group or category, as one to which benefits or restrictions apply. For example, the bank has list of classified customers to whom it will not make large loans. Next one. SOS signals are sent to show that you are happy, in want, or in distress. Answer is in distress. SOS is a Morse code distress signal used internationally that was originally established for maritime use. In formal nation, SOS is written with an overscore line to indicate that the Morse code equivalents for the individual letters of SOS are transmitted as an unbroken sequence of three dots, three dashes, three dots with no spaces between the letters. Next one. The process of removing a tooth by a dentist is called obstruction, extraction, destruction. Answer is extraction. A dental extraction is a removal of teeth from the dental alveolus in the alveolar bone. Extractions are performed for a wide variety of reasons, but most commonly to remove teeth which have become unrestorable through tooth decay, periodontal disease, or dental trauma, especially when they are associated with toothache. Next one. When the topic of discussion is not given beforehand, it is called extempore, unpreparatory, temporary speech. Answer is extempore speech. Extempore is a speech that is given on the spot without preparation. It is a test of your knowledge about a topic as well as your ability to express yourself in good words in a frame manner with a limited time. Next, fun fact. An anagram is a puzzle where the player has to move all the letters in word to make a new word. An example would be the Morse code in here and here comes dots. Anagrams are often used in fiction when a character wants to use a different name. For example, Harry Potter character named Tom Marvolo Riddle made an anagram based on his name, I am Lord Voldemort, and began calling himself Lord Voldemort. Now let us start our new lesson, lesson number 32. Know the Indian state. Choose the correct answer from the choices given below and put a tick mark in the space provided for. Kerala is associated in option A northern India, option B central India and option C southern India. Answer is option C southern India. It is a state on the southern West Malabar coast of India. It has nearly 600 km of Arabian Sea shoreline. It's known for its palm-lined beaches and backwaters network of canals. It was formed on 1st November 1956. Next question. The principal language of Kerala is option A Telugu, option B Malayalam, option C Tamil. Answer is option B Malayalam. Malayalam is a Dravidian language spoken in the Indian state of Kerala and Union territories of Lakshadweep and Puducherry by the Malayali people. It is one of the 22nd scheduled languages of India spoken by nearly 2.88% of Indians. Next question. The total area of Kerala in square kilometer is option A 38,863, option B 38,368 and option C 38,638. Answer is option A 38,863. Kerala lies between the Arabian Sea in the west and Western Ghats. In the east, with an area of 38,863 square kilometer. Kerala is the 21st largest Indian state by area. It is bordered by Karnataka to the north and northeast, Tamil Nadu to the east and south, and the Lakshadweep Sea to the west. Next question. The capital of Kerala is option A Pondicherry, option B Kochi and option C Thiruvananthapuram. Answer is option C Thiruvananthapuram. Thiruvananthapuram, commonly known by its former name Trivandrum, is the capital of the Indian state of Kerala. It is the most populous city in Kerala with a population of 9,57,730 as of 2011. The principal festival of Kerala is option A Rangoli, option B Onam and option C Bohag Bihu. Answer is option B Onam. Onam is the most important and popular festival in Kerala. Celebrated with much pomp and fervor, Onam is the harvest festival. Onam is also called Tiruonam and it is celebrated at the beginning of the month Chingam of the Malayalam calendar. Next question. The total number of districts in Kerala is option A 14, option B 15 and option C 16. Answer is option A 14. The state of Kerala is divided into 14 revenue districts. On the basis of geographical, historical and cultural similarities, the state's districts are generally grouped into three parts. The North Kerala districts, the Central Kerala districts and the South Kerala districts. Next question. The famous dance of Kerala is option A Ghumar, option B Kathakali and option C Garba. Answer is option B Kathakali. Kathakali is one of the most popular dance forms not only in Kerala but also in India. This 300-year-old classical dance form has its own magnitude due to its unique dance movements, substantial mudras, remarkable costumes, and spectacular presentation of human emotions through expressions. Next question. The Indian state located in the southeast of Kerala is option A Karnataka, option B Andhra Pradesh and option C Tamil Nadu. Answer is option C Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is one of the 28 states of India. Its capital and largest city is Chennai. Tamil Nadu lies in the southernmost part of the Indian subcontinent and is bordered by the Union Territory of Puducherry and South Indian states of Kerala, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Next question. The women of Kerala decorate their hair with option A shells, option B feathers and option C flowers. Answer is option C flowers. South Indian ladies decorate their hair with jasmine flowers and many other flowers like rose, chrysanthemum, kanakambaram, champagne, and whatever flower that is fragrant and beautiful has a moderate size to add on over hair. Fun fact: India's state emblem, which is an adoption from the Sarnath lion. Now, students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.